Welcome to Cassiekoy Crochet. Let's make a bee costume for my 4-month-old nephew. Let us begin by making a slip knot. Insert the hook and make 75 foundation chain. The foundation chain may vary depending on your yarn and hook sizes as well as the body measurement of your baby. Before starting row 1, make sure that the chain will fit to the head of the baby. Now, begin row 1 by skipping 3 chains, then 1 double crochet on the 4th chain. Then continue across by placing 1 double crochet on each of the chain. We're now down to the last chain. Finish this off by placing 1 double crochet. Then make 2 chains to begin row 2, but this one is not counted as a stitch. So place 1 double crochet on the same stitch, another 1 double crochet on the next stitch, and then on the third one, we will place 2 double crochet on the same stitch. So I already have one, and we're going to place another one here on the same stitch and 2. So you'll have to repeat this pattern of 1 double crochet for the first 2 stitches and 2 double crochet on the third stitch. If you don't end up having the same pattern at the last part, don't worry as it won't matter anyway. For rows 3 to 7, just follow the pattern posted on the screen. After making increases, this is how it will look like. But if the shape has not been achieved yet, continue the increasing pattern on round 8. If you have a thicker yarn, increases may only be done until round 4 or 5. At this point, I have a total of 165 stitches, but it would be better if you get an even number. So 165 divided by 2 equals 82.5. I will make this a whole number. So for the front panel, I will have 83 double crochet stitches, and for the back panel will be 82 double crochet stitches. Now for the armhole, once you get the desired size, place a marker both in front and back panels. Now with your measuring tape, kindly check if the front panel measurement still fits the bust size of the baby before you proceed to the next part. If it's already good, then cut off your yarn to change it to black. And for the second part, just grab your black yarn, insert the hook, and continue on the back panel. So just insert your hook here and then make 2 chains. Again, this is not counted as a stitch. And continue by placing 1 double crochet on the same stitch and another 1 double crochet on the next. So you're going to basically just add 1 double crochet on each stitch until you reach the marker. Just finish the double crochet stitches here before we proceed to forming the armhole. To form the armhole, make 4 chains, but in this video, the chain looks longer because I first made 6 chains, which I changed later into 4 to avoid it from being too loose. After that, just connect the chains by placing 1 double crochet to the front panel where the marker is placed. When you reach the next armhole, repeat placing 4 chains and connect it with a double crochet stitch at the back panel. Then finish off this round by slip stitching on the very first double crochet stitch of this round. Then make 3 chains to begin the next round. So this time, the 3 chains will be counted as 1 double crochet. Don't forget to turn your work and continue placing 1 double crochet on each of the stitches. We have now reached the 4 chains from the previous round. Just place 1 double crochet in each of the chain. Then continue the double crochet stitches until the end of the round. Close this round by slip stitching on the 3rd chain that we first made. So just insert your hook here on the 3rd chain and make 3 chains to begin another round. Don't forget to turn your work and just repeat the same process as what we did. So you're just going to basically place 1 double crochet on each of the stitches until you reach the last part of the round. For the succeeding rounds, you're just going to place 1 double crochet on each of the stitches until you have covered the belly part of this costume. Now for the 3rd part, which is the bottom part, we will work on the front panel first, but make sure to place markers so that you won't get lost. For the crotch, I'll be using the black yarn. Just make a slip knot so we can insert the hook. Now we will be making 3 chains. So these chains will be counted as 1 double crochet. Then we're gonna have our first decrease here by joining the 2 stitches, 1 double crochet, and then decrease again. Another 1 double crochet on the next, and make another decrease. So after making 3 decreases on this side, you're going to continue by placing 1 double crochet on the next stitches and pause when you have 9 stitches left. I now have 9 stitches left, so I'm gonna be making decreases again. So this is my first one, and then 1 double crochet in the next. This is my second decrease, 1 double crochet on the next, then make a decrease by joining these 2. This is the 3rd decrease. So in total, I have 6 decreases for round 1. Then 1 double crochet on the marker. To begin the second row, just chain 1 and flip your work. Then on that very same stitch, place 1 double crochet and then another 1 double crochet across. So for round 2, there will be no decreases. And to shorten this video, just follow how the decreases are made. Then be guided on the number of decreases I made per row. Now for the back panel, this part should be longer as we need to make a crotch. Just follow the process of decreasing stitches we made in front. So for row 1, there will be 2 decreases on each side, so a total of 4 decreases on row 1. Again, to make this video shorter, just follow the guide posted on the screen. Okay, at this point, we're almost done. In round 18, I placed one single crochet in each of the stitches. And then we're going to continue the single crochet stitches along the way to the front panel. Now I'm working on the side. So for this part, you will place 2 single crochet stitches on each of the double crochet posts. Just continue placing 2 single crochets. And then on this part, place 1 single crochet. And then go back to the double crochet post and place 1 or 2 single crochet stitches. When you're done making single crochet edges, just make a slip stitch and cut off the yarn. Now for the armhole and the neckline, we're going to place single crochet edging. So just follow the video. Of course, we'll be going back to the crotch as we need to put snap buttons here. And when you're done doing this, just weave in the remaining tails and you're done. I hope that you learned something from me today and thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I wish to see your bee costume, so please tag Cassiekoy Crochet when you post it on any social media platform. And by the way, I have other baby costume tutorials. Just visit my channel and browse for more. Again, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more tutorials. Bye!